Let's begin by reading through the problem and highlighting all the important information. So this one is on aquarium tickets. So the aquarium charges $20 for adult admission and $9 for each child. Okay, now we're being asked, it says to write an algebraic expression to represent the situation below. So this is what we're being asked to do. And it says let C represent the number of children and A represent the number of adults attending the field trip. We want to write an algebraic expression that tells us the total cost for the field trip. Okay, so first it's always important to identify your variables, and they're highlighted, but I'm going to write them here anyway. So we have C equals the number of children. Okay. And don't just write children. Notice that it's number of children, because we have another number for children, how much it costs per child, but we're interested in the number of children. So when you write your letters, variables, try to be as specific as possible. And A equals the number of adults. And these are both attending the field trip, but I'm not going to write all of that out. So let's see what the cost would be. Well, it's $20 for adults, so you can think of for every adult, $20 per adult. And again, this isn't a part that you have to do, this just helps you reason through it. Well, if there was one adult, then it would be $20. Two adults would be 2 times 20. 3 adults would be 3 times 20. So, if we have A adults, that would be A times 20, which we write as 20A. Okay, so that's the cost for the adults. Now, let's use the same idea for the children. Well, it's $9 per child. So if it was one child, it would be 1 times 9. If it was 2 children, it'd be 2 times 9. 3 children would be 3 times 9. And then we want a general amount of unknown children that we're going to call C children. So that would be C times 9, or we write 9C. So the total cost of the field trip, total cost, is going to be equal to the cost for the adults' tickets. I'm just going to put cost adult, plus, so we'd also add on or combine the cost of the children's tickets. Okay, and now we have algebraic expressions for each of these. So the total cost is 20A for the adults plus 9C for the children. So let's put this expression here, 20A plus 9C. Now there's a second question. So it says determine the total bill for the field trip if 8 adults and 32 children went to the aquarium. So now we can use our formula with, let's see, A equals 8 adults, number of adults is 8, and C, number of children is 32. Okay, this is why it's really good to have this written down so you can refer back to it. So now I'm going to replace A with 8 and C with 32 in parentheses. 20 times 8 plus 9 times 32. And let's compute this on the calculator. So 20 times 8 plus 9 times 32 gives us a total of $448. And that will be our final answer.